Everyone, this is Mohit and I am working professional. I have worked in the different profile like testing, DevOps, and these two profile I worked in real time, and I am also working right now, and I am also providing training, okay, online training. And I was planning to offline but not yet started because of this pandemic. But I having the around more than 4 year of experience in teaching, so I my agenda is completely different for the teaching stuff. So what is my agenda and what is my teaching strategy? I having the 100% placement and job guarantee. Even if you will not satisfied with my teaching, all the fee is refundable. If you are not satisfied with my teaching, I will refund you all the your fee, 100% fee. Okay, but that situation will not come. Why? Because I am starting from a scratch level to experience level, where you can crack the interview. Even you are not able to crack the interview, you are able to work in the company. So we having the I am providing completely from zero level to experience level. Many people got job in my session. So if you are from non-technical background, if you are from non-CSE background, if you want to make your career in IT sector, right, so I am providing a scratch level of the training from basics to experience, and my agenda is completely different to teaching, right? So whatever the topic we are learning, so I will give you one real time example. I will relate with you the real time, the working, why we are learning this, right? Like if you are writing some code, then we don't know what is the flow of this code, but I will teach you how this code is working, how to debug the code, how to fix the issue in the real time. And I will provide end-to-end preparation. What do you meaning of end-to-end preparation? Like if you are from non-CSE and non-technical background, I am going to start from zero level. If you don't know anything, don't worry at all. I have faced many issue. Okay, so I having the solution for everything while getting the job and you're working in the company, right? What I am providing the training. So right now I'm providing the training for testing profile and Python, core Python and advanced Python, manual testing, automation testing, real time project, and we have a special session for interview session. Okay, so we having the one interview session. If you are struggling to crack the interview, so we having the special session for interview preparation as well. Okay, so if you want to connect with me, and if you are facing any issue for your technical skill, communication skill, you are not able to crack the interview, you're going to stuck in your real time, so we have all the solution. Okay, so if you are interested to enroll my course, please comment and reach out to me, and we can discuss what is my teaching step and syllabus and all. So thank you so much, and if you like this video, please share with your friend, and we work on your success is our success. You will get success, we will get success. Thank you.